Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your freelance skills with Coursera, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Coursera website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your account. Use the search bar at the top of the page to enter specific skills you want to optimize. Explore the courses that appear in your search results. Consider filtering results by ratings or duration to find the best fit. Click on a course title to view its details. Review the course description and the skills covered. Check the instructor's credentials and the course rating to ensure quality. Look for courses that offer practical projects or assessments. Enroll in the course that aligns with your goals. Set aside regular time in your schedule to engage with the course material. Take notes as you progress through the lessons. Participate in course discussions to enhance your understanding. Complete all assignments and projects provided in the course. Seek feedback from peers or instructors on your work. Once you finish the course, download your certificate. Update your resume and online profiles to reflect your new skills. Consider applying what you've learned in real-world projects. Regularly revisit Coursera to discover new courses to further enhance your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.